Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of opening the page source of WhatsApp Web on your PC. The page source contains the underlying HTML code of the web page. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the WhatsApp Web website. Step 2. Once you're on the WhatsApp web page, simply right-click anywhere on the page. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Step 3. From the context menu, locate and click on the View Page Source option. This will open a new tab displaying the HTML code of the WhatsApp web page. By accessing the page source, you can explore the code that powers WhatsApp Web, understand its structure, and gain insights into its functionality. That's it for this tutorial on how to open the WhatsApp web page source on your PC. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding the HTML code behind WhatsApp Web. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Happy coding!